Let Pasha gift. As nightfall slowly crept over the sleepy Christmas village, the Wright family gathered around the supper table for a nice Christmas meal. Mother Wright passed the Christmas ham to her right, to Sarah Wright, who then passed it to Susie Wright, who was happy to see there was still some left. Timmy Wright was secretly handing food to the family dog, conveniently named Lefty, who was rinsing his left paw. And Bobby Wright, who isn't even in this story, was eating mashed potatoes right from the serving bowl. When Mother Wright saw him, she told him the story